Don't even think about remodeling anything until you hear about this deal. This is the epoxy deal you've been waiting for. Did you know you could save thousands of dollars on your next remodeling project? Whether it's countertops, tabletops, desktops, flooring, hearths, and more, Stone Coat Epoxy has your solution. We're gonna save you big on your next project. We're gonna include free additives just for getting one of our kits. And the savings is bigger the bigger your project is. We're not just gonna save you up to 15%, we're gonna save you up to 20% on your next Stone Coat project. If you haven't tried Stone Coat, now is the time. You're gonna save thousands of dollars in remodeling costs. This is our biggest Stone Coat Epoxy deal of all time. You need to go right now. We have a special website with this offer only. It's called stonecoatdeal.com. That's stonecoatdeal.com. Hurry up, get over there. This deal won't last. It's stonecoatdeal.com.
I had no experience whatsoever, and look what I made. I love it.
Thank you, Stone Coat, for a great product that is DIY friendly. We just installed our new home countertops.
We got this!
Guys, did you know we created a training portal? This is free training worth a ton. We do in-depth training, tutorials, pictures, and PDFs teaching you step by step how to become an epoxy pro. Your spouse won't believe you created new countertops, maybe a new vanity, maybe your garage floor or your interior floors need an upgrade. We've transformed difficult remodeling projects into a DIY work of wonder.
Stone Coat Countertops has inspired me to do my kitchen island, build my own countertops, and remodel my bathroom. If I can do this, anyone can. You got this.
If you get a half-gallon kit, that will do a 10 square foot project. That's about the size of an average vanity. We'll give you an additive for free. If you're gonna do a gallon kit, we're gonna give you 3 additives for free. A gallon, we'll do a small kitchen. You know, you could do an average sized kitchen with our 2-gallon kit. You're gonna get 6 free additives. You're gonna be able to do that kitchen for under $250. That's unheard of in kitchen remodeling. Stone Coat Epoxy has changed the way that we think about remodeling. We're here to save you big. We want you to get started in this Stone Coat resin revolution.
I started using Stone Coat a little less than a year ago, and it was so successful and easy to use that I was able to quit my day job and do countertops full time.
You need to be the hero of the holidays. This is just in time. Check off that honey-do list, make that spouse happy, or convince all your friends and neighbors, you got this. You can do your own remodeling project. No need to spend thousands of dollars and the frustrating choices between natural stone or Corian or laminate. You get to use Stone Coat and design on a dime. All right, you need some motivation? It's time to get up, get off that couch, get your gloves on, put your work belt on. You don't need a work belt. Get started, get those tools out. Let's rock and roll. This is Stone Coat Epoxy time. It's time to transform any space.